Hey there! Are you looking for ways to make money online? In this video, we'll be discussing how you can make money through website testing and user experience research. Tip 1. Understand what website testing and user experience research entail. Before you get started, it's important to have a clear understanding of what website testing and user experience research are. Website testing involves evaluating the functionality of a website, while user experience research focuses on how users interact with a website. Website testing and user experience research are essential to improve the performance of a website and increase user satisfaction. Before starting to make money through website testing and user experience research, it's crucial to understand the tasks involved. Website testing includes analyzing the performance of a website, identifying bugs, and suggesting ways to improve it. In contrast, user experience research involves understanding how users interact with a website, including their behavior, preferences, and feedback. This information is used to optimize the website's design, content, and overall user experience. Having a clear understanding of website testing and user experience research will help you perform better in these tasks and make more money. Tip 2. Sign up for user testing websites. There are many websites that offer paid user testing opportunities. Sign up for multiple sites to increase your chances of getting testing jobs. Sign up for user testing websites is a tip for those who want to make money through website testing and user experience research. User testing websites offer paid opportunities to test websites and provide feedback on their usability and user experience. To get started, you need to sign up for these websites and create a profile with your demographic and personal information. Some popular user testing websites include usertesting.com, TryMyUI, and Userlytics. By signing up for multiple sites, you can increase your chances of getting testing jobs and earn more money. It's important to note that some websites may have specific requirements or qualifications, so make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Tip 3. Meet the qualifications. Make sure you meet the qualifications for the testing jobs you apply for. Some tests require specific demographics, such as age, gender, or geographic location. To qualify for website testing and user experience research jobs, you need to meet certain criteria such as age, gender, and geographic location. Companies and website owners use this information to test their websites with specific user demographics. It is important to read and understand the job requirements before applying to ensure that you are eligible for the testing jobs. This will increase your chances of getting accepted for the testing jobs, and also help you to provide more accurate feedback based on your demographic. Failing to meet the qualifications can result in disqualification, and can waste your time and effort. Tip 4. Pay attention to instructions. When you receive a testing job, make sure to read and follow the instructions carefully. When you receive a testing job, it's important to pay attention to the instructions given by the client or testing website. Following the instructions carefully ensures that you complete the tasks as expected and provide accurate feedback. This can lead to positive reviews and more opportunities for testing jobs in the future. Be sure to take note of any specific requirements or tasks that need to be completed within a certain time frame. Failing to follow instructions may result in a lower payout or disqualification from the test, so it's important to take the instructions seriously. Tip 5. Take notes. As you test a website, take notes on your experience. This will help you provide detailed feedback to the client. When you test a website or perform user experience research, it's important to take notes on your experience. This will help you remember important details and provide detailed feedback to the client. You can note down things like the ease of navigation, how long it took to complete certain tasks, any bugs or glitches you encountered, and overall impressions of the website. Taking detailed notes will also help you to organize your thoughts and feedback more effectively, making it easier to provide a clear and concise report at the end of the testing session. It's also a good idea to take screenshots or record your session to have visual evidence of your testing experience. Tip 6. Be honest. It's important to be honest in your feedback. Your feedback helps companies improve their websites, and dishonest feedback can do more harm than good. Being honest in your feedback is an important tip when participating in website testing and user experience research. The purpose of these tests is to provide valuable feedback to companies so they can improve their websites. Dishonest feedback can mislead companies and result in negative consequences for users. It's important to provide truthful feedback even if it may be critical, as this can help companies identify issues and make improvements. Additionally, providing honest feedback can help establish credibility and lead to more opportunities for testing jobs in the future. Tip 7. Participate in focus groups. Some companies may offer paid focus group opportunities. Participating in a focus group can be a great way to earn extra money. Participating in focus groups can be a good way to earn money by providing your feedback on websites and products. Focus groups are typically conducted in person or online, and participants are asked to share their opinions and experiences. Companies use this feedback to improve their products or services. You can find focus group opportunities through market research companies or by checking online job boards. Keep in mind that focus groups may require a time commitment, and you may need to meet certain qualifications or demographics to participate. It's also important to be honest and provide detailed feedback to ensure you are compensated for your time. Tip 8. Keep your profile up to date. Make sure your profile on testing websites is up to date. This will help you qualify for more testing jobs. When you sign up for website testing and user experience research websites, you'll create a profile that includes information about yourself such as your age, gender, location, and interests. Keeping your profile up to date with accurate information can help you qualify for more testing jobs. It's important to update your profile if any of your personal information changes. Additionally, some testing websites may require you to take qualification tests or surveys to qualify for certain testing jobs. Keeping your profile up to date and taking these qualification tests can increase your chances of being selected for paid testing opportunities. Tip 9. Learn about user experience research. User experience research is a growing field. Take some time to learn about best practices in user experience research to help you provide better feedback. Tip 10. Network with other testers. Connect with other website testers to learn about new opportunities and share tips and tricks. Networking with other website testers is a great way to learn about new opportunities and share tips and tricks. You can join online communities and forums for website testers to connect with others in the field. Networking can also help you to learn from others' experiences and get insights into how to improve your own testing skills. Additionally, building relationships with other testers can help you to get referrals and recommendations for testing jobs. Therefore, it's important to actively engage with other testers and be willing to offer help and support in return. There you have it. These are some tips for making money through website testing and user experience research. With a little patience and dedication, you can turn website testing into a lucrative side hustle.